Are you ready to take your JavaScript skills to the next level? Welcome to JavaScript Best Practices, a hands-on approach, a comprehensive course designed to make you a more confident, efficient, and reliable JavaScript developer. JavaScript Best Practices, a hands-on approach. Benefits and objectives. In this course, we'll dive deep into the best practices that define robust and maintainable JavaScript code. Our aim: to give you the tools you need to write high-quality code that's not only effective but also a breeze to manage and scale. Write maintainable, efficient code. Adopt industry best practices. Learn hands-on with real projects. Overview of course content. We've carefully structured this course into 10 focused sections, each crafted to give you a hands-on learning experience. Course Content Overview, Section 1, Introduction to JavaScript Best Practices. Gain a big picture view of the course and discover why best practices matter. Section 2, Setting up your development environment. Get your workspace ready, from Visual Studio Code setup to Node.js essentials. Section 3, Version Control Systems. Master Git for efficient collaboration and code management. Section 4, Code Organization and Structure. Learn modularization and structure for maintainable projects. Section 5, Coding Style and Conventions. Embrace a consistent coding style with tools like ESLint and Prettier. Section 6, Variable Declaration and Scope. Understand the differences between var, let, and const, and best practices for variable usage. Section 7, Error Handling and Debugging. Write code that's resilient with robust error handling techniques. Section 8, Asynchronous JavaScript. Handle asynchronous operations using async/await, with practical walkthroughs. Section 9, Testing and Quality Assurance. Learn how to ensure code quality through jest and testing best practices. Section 10, Security Best Practices. Protect your code with secure coding practices and threat mitigation strategies. With over 70 in-depth lectures, this course covers all aspects of professional JavaScript development best practices. But we know knowledge without practice is only half the journey. That's why we've built in code samples, quizzes, assignments, and even practice tests to reinforce every concept you learn. Plus, you'll gain access to numerous downloadable code snippets and resource links. Real-world code examples, interactive quizzes and assignments, downloadable resources and code snippets, community and support. Learning is best done together. That's why we're setting up a dedicated Discord server just for this course, where you can interact with fellow students, ask questions, and even get feedback directly from the instructor. Join our exclusive Discord community for students. Take your JavaScript skills from good to great with JavaScript Best Practices, a hands-on approach. Enroll now to secure your early bird discount and be among the first to unlock this in-depth, interactive learning experience. Don't miss this opportunity to become a better JavaScript developer. Enroll today. Early bird discount available. For any questions, contact Kaushik@gmail.com. Get ready to write code you're truly proud of. See you in the course.